Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anirudh and today in this JavaScript tutorial I'll show you what is concat method. In my last video I had shown you what is character code add method. If you haven't watched my last video, so just go to description, there you will find the playlist link. You have to check the last video and then come to this video. And concat method is very important in JavaScript string method. Okay, so here I will show you what is concat method. So first of all I will go to the HTML file and here you can see I have added the toString. Okay, because concat method works with multiple string value. So now here what concat method does. So first of all see the syntax: string concat then multiple string. Okay, so here what it does, it just concat multiple string. Okay, so here for the example string 1, because this is the string 1, I have written inside the string 1 hello creative developer, and this string 1 value I'm concatenating with string 2 like this. Okay, so what will be the output in the console? So the output will be hello creative developer, how are you doing, because I concatenate two strings. Okay, by the way you can concatenate with multiple string, that I will show you first, but before that I will check you in the browser I'm getting the expected output or not. Here I will open the browser and here you can see it's concatenated the two value hello creative developer, how are you doing, and here you can see no space between developer and how. So how you can add the space? So just simply here you can add the space. So you can see the space here also you can see. Now how to concatenate with the multiple string? So just here I will add another string value str3 and here I will write today. Okay, so simply here you have to add with comma separator, like see how it's added in the syntax. So same thing I will add comma and the third string variable this one. Same way here if you want to add space, either you can add space here or here. Okay, so let's see here. So here you can see hello creative developer, how are you doing today. So this way concatenate method works. So hope guys this video is helpful, and if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.